Hey my YouTube fam, welcome back to another video. If you want to know what music Algrow does use in his videos, so this video is for you. Because today I will tell how to get background music like Algrow. So let's get started. Open your browser in your desktop. Type Mixkit. Click Mixkit website. Over here you can see the lots of variety of free assets, like free stock video, free music, free sound effect, free template. Now click on stock music. Over here you can see the lots of free music, which is you can use in your YouTube video. For Algrow music, type hip hop on search section. Then scroll down. Over here you can see the CBPD name music. This music Algrow used in his videos most. Let's play it.
These my dads make it hurt.
So this music Algrow used in his video background. You can also use this music in your YouTube video, and also here lots of music is here. Choose your background music according to your video. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe.